The Mansfield School Committee has concluded its meeting in executive session this evening. As noted in our posting for the meeting, the school committee has been discussing complaints brought against an employee of the school district. Based on confidentiality laws concerning employees and the requirements of the open meeting law, I cannot comment on particulars of our meeting. I can share the school committee has worked as diligently as we can to bring this matter to a resolution. We have followed the process in order to ensure that we were thorough, accurate, and fair to all, moving as quickly as we were able while not trying to reach a conclusion for the sake of expediency. This required the involvement of the school committee's legal counsel in order to ensure that the school committee stayed within all legal bounds during the process. Our role as elected officials is to do what's in the best interest of the Mansfield schools. We have concluded our review of the complaints in this matter. An announcement will be made via the school's district's website within the next 24 hours. I have no further comment this time, nor will I respond to any questions. I have offered you all the information that I'm able to at this point. I'd like to thank you for your cooperation.